Hi guys. So my brother did a video. Well, he didn't teach you guys. He just solved it. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, so the first step is you want to find the yellow spot. The first step, you're going to make a daisy. So you want to make the daisy, find the yellow spot and then put a white under it, and do that for every other. Once you have the daisy, you want to complete it by finding what's under the daisy right there and get that color on the bottom. Then once you have that, you want to flip this white piece all the way to the bottom like that. And you're going to do that with the other pieces too. So once you have that, you're going to find this white spot. So you have all these white spots here, but you don't know how to get them. So this white's, there's this one, and this one. So white right here, there's a green next to it. So you're gonna find the green and make it right here. And once you have that, you're gonna go up from this side, take it to the left and down. And then you have this side right here, the white, and then there's a green right there, so put the green right there too. The same steps, but the opposite side. And then you have the white again, but there's an orange right there, so you're gonna flip it to the orange and then do the same step over. So you have only one left, but it's at the right angle, so you're just gonna go 1, 2, and 3. The next step, part 2, is making the bottom.
Show the bottom, the layer, what's just done.
So this one's done, and this one's done. So now we're gonna do the second layer, which is not that hard. So you find what's on top of that, and then you see which side the green is on, which is right here. So you're gonna put this side to the left. We're gonna flip it up, take it to the left again, and put this down. You're gonna put the green there again, and the same steps you did for part 1. And then you have the square for red and green. And the next step is to do the others. So blue and red. Put the red to the red. Find the blue, so on that side. So wherever the blue is, you want to take this side from away from it, and then you pull up, do the same steps, but do the opposite side. So then the same step for part 1. And then you have red done. And yeah, that's the only thing done. So then you don't have any of them that have no yellow are good. If they have yellow, then you can't use them. So there's one spot left. So we're gonna take it to the green, take it to, so there's orange right there. So we cannot take it to that side. So we flip it opposite from that side. We do the same steps. And then we do this part 1 again. And then we have blue and red finish. So we have 2 more. So you can't do any of these. So what I do is I flip it up, take it to the right, and the same steps from part 1. Do the same step. And then there's one that you can use. So we take it to the orange. We see the green right there. We pull it away from the green. We pull it up to the side, down, and we find the color. And now we've done the second layer. So now we're gonna do the yellow layer. So if you see an L right there, you're gonna, well, the opposite L, you're gonna want to do these steps. You're gonna first turn it up. Then you're gonna turn it to the left. You're gonna put up the right side. You're gonna turn it to the right, the top layer. You're gonna put this one down and do it like that. So then you're gonna wanna do this step now. So
L-U-R, U-R, U-R. All right, you need help?
yep.
All right, master.
And that's what I call him, my brother.
All right, he's gonna show you the next step.
And then you put if you have these two, put them here, so from this, it's gonna be like there. So then put this one up, put this one, that, go like that, put this one up, do that twice, put it down. Now you saw, when you did this, you saw these two, put that down, flip it over like that, you do that again. And then now it has a fish. It has a fish. Put it facing down, and then go like that. Do it again. And then you have this.
So I'm gonna let my brother do the last layer, so bye!
And one layer by now should be like, if you don't have any, and like none of these, then you have to put the red on like that. You go like that, go like that, that. Put this one down, that, and then do that same step again. And then you should have one like this. So if you have this, and if you don't have it on any, just repeat that again. So that this has to be here, and then do that again. And then you should have this. If you don't, one should be already done by now, but I don't. So you go this. So you put the front layer up. You do this. You put this one down. Both. Put this one like that. So like flip it over. Put this one up. Put this one up. Then flip it. Then do that. Now one side's already done. So you put that on the back and do that again. And if it didn't do it, then do it again. And yeah, you solved it.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like the like button and smash that subscribe button. And we'll see you guys in the next episode.